Hello kids! Well, today what we're going to do is we're going to describe Fernando, who is the character of the story The Little Painter of Sabana Grande. So first what we're going to do is we're going to talk about some adjectives that can help us define him. But first, I've got a question. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a person, an object, an animal, anything. For example, if we say, Fernando paints beautiful pictures. Beautiful in Fernando paints beautiful pictures, beautiful is an adjective because it tells us what the pictures are like. They are beautiful. Okay, so back to the question. How is Fernando? Fernando is determined. To be determined is when you are decided to do something. You set a goal and you decide you want to achieve it. So, for example, Fernando works really hard, right? He's hardworking. He works really hard to achieve his goal, which is to paint. What does he do? For example, he looks for nature elements to make the paints, and he looks for ways to replace the paper. That he doesn't have any paper, so he replaces the paper, he looks for nature things to create paints. He is determined to do something, to paint. So he works really hard because he is determined. Another word to describe Fernando is imaginative. A person that is imaginative has exceptional powers of imagination. For example, when we're reading, we imagine what we're reading. We make a picture in our head about the things that we're reading. Fernando imagines what he's going to paint. For example, he imagines the poinciana tree, the purple vine, the rooster, the monkey. Another word to describe Fernando is persevering. A person that is persevering never gives up. They continue trying and trying and trying, no matter what problems or obstacles appear. Fernando's problem is that he doesn't have paper to paint on, and his father at the beginning doesn't let him paint on the house. But he perseveres because he's persevering, and he continues and finds a solution. Problem solver. A problem solver is a person that is proactive and always tries to find solutions to the problems. So, as we said, Fernando's problem is that he doesn't have paper or paint. So, instead of just crying or getting angry, what he does is he thinks of a solution. And Fernando is also passionate. When you have passion, it means that you feel a strong love for something. In this case, Fernando feels a lot of love for art, so we can say that he's passionate about art. Okay, so do you agree? Are these good adjectives to describe Fernando? Can you think of any other adjectives to describe him? Leave the adjectives here in the comments. Bye!